Right, back we go. More videos. Yeah, the market's about to close. And it is Monday, February 8th. Let's look at Seal to start. Seal. Not the singer, the stock. 48 million float, 203 million market cap. No real news recently. Clinical stage bio focused on developing commercialization of novel technologies, therapeutics, treatment, central nervous system, respiratory disorders. All right, you can see the big move from 2019. Look at this move down. Then it bounced. Then look at this one straight down for like half a year. And you get a small bounce, 75 to 150. Then came back to this 40-cent line. Then we bounced again to 150. You see that cluster came back. And right here, October started to go pretty well. November, found a new low, got higher. This nice support at 1 here. Look at this little ascending triangle. Flat top right over 1, 2, came back down, bounced again. Dip buy right here, beautiful dip buy, and this thing took off. It's forming a cross now. Could be could be very high up here to look for a buy at this point. I mean, it could keep going, but you got to be extremely careful. We've run here to here. Now, watch for another pullback. Maybe 3 will hold, or this 250 if we do. See this on the support here? All these dips. So I could see that again. On the higher point, look for 4, and then look for 6. Look for this to round out eventually. It looks like it's turning up, and it will get to 6 at some point. Very strong. Big U shape, little dip again. So I can see another dip here, and then we ride up. But the volume's really strong on this stock. So, great potential in this. It's been moving in the right direction. Just be careful when it forms these crosses at the top of a pattern. Could be a change of pattern. We'll see. MOXC float 7 million, market cap 32 million. Haven't seen no news in this in a long time. Social network platform integrates social media business, single platform in China. Yes, this is not one of these crazy charts. You look at here, you have the low at 50 cents pretty much. See that going all the way back, and then you have, it looks like up here you have this 5 line. See this back and forth, you have 1, 2, then in between, we have a lot of spikes. So you can see the big channel. It's really coming out. Now look at stochastics, really riding out. Volume's increasing very so slightly. So 125, 175, there's 3. Where do we go from here? Where's the line here? I'm trying to see. It looks like to this 350 line. See that? We touch that in July, touch it in September. Look at that big line right here. So, I think we can get the 350. Right here, and then see this loop down, this U, another U shape. So, it's going towards 350. I wouldn't see why it wouldn't at this point. The only thing, maybe just the pullback. See right here, we might pull back to like 175 and do that, another dip. No news recently. It's a low float. You have to be extremely careful. This could rip. It could rip really long if you're trying to short it too. But, another stock that's looking in the right direction. And the way it's moving is really strong. Ford. Stock market is now closed. Dow Jones up 213, S&P 26, Nasdaq plus 123. Another record close. You keep hearing these record closes. It's not good. There'll be a crash eventually. 6.3 million float, 35 million market cap. Forward Industries designs, markets, distributes carry protective solutions primarily for handheld electronic devices. Going back on the weekly on this one, I've done this one before too. Look at this at 4 and 2, this 2 line. Since 1996, 95. It had one spike 2005, 2006. Look at this back and forth. So it's trying to break this long-term trend. It did before. And where are we at now? You see 18, 19. You can see right here in this August spike. Look at these spikes. Then it spiked again 21. And look at the move right here. 21. This thing ripped up. Came back. See, it's a great comeback here. 13's over 20. There was no way this is just going to go straight down. That was definitely a fake out support. All these moves are just lower volume pullbacks. And now we're at 435. Where's this going to go? Well, you want support if it does. You want 4 to hold. It did bounce, or 350, maybe 325 if it really comes back. The weekly, I'm trying to see here. This thing's so far away from everything. The lines. Well, here's your 4 line. You get 450, 480. I would say 480. Anywhere from 4 to 6 at this point. There's nothing there. It's just been on a big run, so you got to be careful. But it's not showing weakness yet. So on these moves that run up like that, you just got to be careful with it. So it looks very good at this point forward. All right, that's it for these stocks. Subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Trade ideas referral in the link. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. And StockTwits, Mike Cayman Trades. I do have a Patreon, which I'm going to try to start up. All right, that's it for now. Peace. Load this video up.